So now let us see the second type. Now this is double. Now it is 64-bit double precision. Follows the same format IEEE 754, and then you can represent a double in two forms, either a decimal format or a exponential format. So if you can see, the only difference between a double and a float apart from the range is the F. So there is no F here. So this means any default floating point number is a double value data type in Java. So if you write any number, say if I less than 4.44, so 4.44 is a double number. So any default floating point number is a double number as long as you don't append F to it. So the main difference that comes between double and float is the appending of F here and the range of the value and the precision. So let us again see in code how we can do this. So instead of float, I can write double here, and still I can use the same value. So even if I don't remove this F, still I am able to work with this value. We'll shortly see what happens here. If I remove this, then I get a double literal, and I can accordingly change here also and get double here. So the only difference that comes is that we need to remove the F. The rules for this also remain same. So instead of double dot NaN, instead of float dot NaN, in this case we have double dot NaN. So not a number still comes in case of double also. So the same rules that were applicable for float, the same are applicable for double. Again, you have a positive infinity, you have a negative infinity, and you have a not a number. And also the same way we used to write in the decimal format as well as in the exponential format. The only thing missing is the F.